The key takeaways from this clip are number one, that yes, U.S. crude oil production has risen significantly over the last year. We're up almost 1 million barrels per day. We have 12.7 million barrels per day for production this year, but the leading rig count has dropped by 15% since late last year. And moving forward, we expect U.S. crude supply growth to slow down pretty significantly to a sequential pace of just 200 kilobarrels per day from here. Second, I think the second interesting key takeaway was the comment from Pioneer CEO Scott Sheffield that the risks are skewed towards higher prices. He mentions a potential price of $90 per barrel, and we expect Brent to rise from just above 80 right now to $86 per barrel by year end, as we expect pretty sizable deficits in the second half, with deficits of almost 2 million barrels per day in the third quarter, as demand reaches an all-time high. OPEC plus cuts get implemented, and U.S. crude supply, as we discussed at the beginning of our conversation, is slowing down meaningfully.
Yeah, it's sort of hard to ask this question, Dan, given the political and also the social mood. But the fact that G20 leaders or energy ministers in India failed to come up with a deal on phasing out fossil fuels, it sounds to me like it could be very constructive for oil. Do you agree?
So I think the main takeaway from the fact that the G20 energy ministers did not reach an agreement is that the uncertainty about long-run oil demand is very substantial. Some countries suggested phasing out the use of fossil fuels, and other countries highlighted that carbon capture and storage technologies may actually allow to maintain high levels of oil production while reducing net emissions. And so I think the key point here for investors is really that with the uncertainty about oil demand being so elevated, investors may require a premium to compensate for the elevated risk from such elevated demand uncertainty.
Hi, I'm Emily Tan, and thanks for watching CNBC. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.